welcome to our Math and Review. This is your truly teacher, John Ovis Bernelia, your Math and Review teacher. Okay, so let's begin with the question. What is the zero of f of x is equal to x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1? So here, as you can see, given our factors of your function, so all you have to do is to apply the zero product property. So we will get x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. All you have to do here is to find the inverse of the following. So x must be equal to the inverse of negative 2, that is 2, inverse of negative 1, that is 1, and inverse of 1, that is 1. Thus, the 0 of this function is equal to 2, positive, 1, negative, positive, and 1, negative. So this is the answer. Next, what is the complete factor of f of x is equal to x squared minus 16? So here we're looking for the factor of x squared minus 16. So here all we have to do is to find two numbers in which when multiplied the answer is negative 16 and the sum must be the linear term which is 0. So what are those numbers? So two numbers when multiplied the answer is negative 16 and when added the answer is 0. So that is 4 and negative 4. Thus the complete factor for this is x minus 4 times x plus 4. Next, what is the remainder of the polynomial function f of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x if it is divided by the linear function x plus 1? So here, we're looking for the remainder of the function given the linear function x plus 1. So in order to find the value of x here, look for the additive inverse of 1, which is negative 1. Then all of the x's of your polynomial function will be substituted with a negative 1. So the answer is negative 1 cubed plus 2 times negative 1 squared minus 8 times negative 1 is equal to 9. 9 is the remainder of the polynomial function. Next, what is the possible root for the function 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10? We will apply the rational root theorem. So find the p, find the q, then solve for the p of a q. So p is negative 10, and the factor of negative 10 is positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 5, and positive negative 10. Factors of your q, which is 4, are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. So the possible root for this function are as follows: plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 1 half, plus minus 5 halves, plus minus 4, and plus minus 5 fourths. So these are the possible roots for your function. How about for the possible root of 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 10? Okay, same question. How about the factor q of the same function? So again, in the rational root theorem, p is the constant. So here, your p is negative 10. While q is the leading coefficient. So in this case, our leading term is 4x cubed and the leading coefficient is 4. So we're looking for the factor q, which is 4. And these are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4. And this is the answer. What is the degree of the polynomial function f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 6x cubed minus 12? When talking about degree, that is the highest exponent. So here we have two variables involved with different exponent. So one is 2 and the other is 3, and the highest exponent is 3. And this is cubic function, and thus the answer is 3. Degree is 3. So for the vocabulary, it is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly with no remainder. So we're looking for a number or algebraic expressions that we're going to divide to another number or expression evenly without getting any remainder, and the answer is a factor. Next, It states that when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial, then the remainder is equal to p over p of a. So keyword is remainder. This is remainder theorem. Next, it states that given a polynomial function with integer or whole number coefficients, a list of possible solutions can be found by listing the factor. Keyword here is list of possible solutions. And theorem is rational root theorem. That is P over Q. It is a polynomial of degree 1. So highest exponent is 1. That is linear function. Degree 2, quadratic function. Degree 3, cubic function. Degree 4, quartic function. Degree 5, quintic or quintic function. So for the word problems, we have the first one. The area of the square is given by the function a of x is equal to x squared. Find the area if one side of the square is the square of x plus 3. So we all know that in order to get the area of the square, all we have to do is to square the given side. And the side here is square of x plus 3. So in order to solve for this, all we have to do is to get the square of the side. So we will have the square of the side, then apply the Gemda's rule. So 2 squared or x plus 3 squared is also the same as x plus 3 cubed to the fourth power. Then apply the fold method. So all you have to do is to multiply x plus 3 4 times by itself to get x to the fourth plus 12x cubed plus 54x squared plus 108x plus 81. Next problem. And the perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeters. The longest side is 5 more than the shortest side. The third side is 10 less than twice the shortest side. Find the length of each side. So here we'll unlock vocabularies. The first statement tells the perimeter of a triangle. So when we talk about the perimeter, we are finding the totality of the length of the sides of a given polygon. So in this case, triangle. Therefore, perimeter is perimeter is that must be perimeter must be